Hi everybody. I know I haven't been making videos in a long time. Promise you, I'm going to start making my videos again, doing my makeup tutorials and hair care and couponing. I promise you, I just have been going through some things and haven't really had the chance to do what I wanted to do. But in today's video, I know a lot of you probably have taken down your tree, but in Louisiana, we decorate our trees for Mardi Gras. So that's why you see the tree still up in the background. But anywho, today I'm going to be talking about these two deals. One from Dollar General and one from Walgreens. I paid $1 for all four of those right there. That's 4 Airwick refills. And this transaction here, I paid $2.75. And I'm going to break everything down so that you could go to the store and get this as well. So for the first deal, which is from Dollar General, on my receipt, you see $2.75 before taxes. Okay, so let me break this down for you. Okay, so for the Lysol wipes, the Lysol toilet cleaner, and the all-purpose sprays are 3 for $5. So I bought 6, so that equals 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 for 5, 3 for 5. $10. So once you get to $10, it's going to instantly take off $2 for spending 10. So that's going to bring your total down to $8. After they bring your total down to 8, do not bring up anything else, just that, because you want to make sure your total is right, because sometimes the system messes up. It might miscalculate your total. So you make sure that your total gets to 10. When it gets to 10, it should bring you down to $8 and the taxes. Once it brings you down to $8 and the taxes, you're going to use your 50-cent coupons that you got in the mail. Now, I had 5 coupons in total, paper coupons. One was for 50 cents off of the Lysol wipes. Another was for 50 cents off of the Lysol wipes. And then I had 2 paper coupons, one 50 cents for the spray, another 50 cents, another 50 cents for this spray. So altogether, and also I had a 50 cent coupon for the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. So I had 5 paper coupons in total. So that took off $2.50. Okay, so once it takes off the $2.50, I did not have another coupon for this one because I used 2 of my sprays and they were out of the toilet bowl cleaner, because you could do 2 sprays, 2 wipes, and 2 toilet bowl cleaners, and then you could have 6 coupons. But I didn't have another spray coupon, and also they were out of toilet bowl cleaner. They only had 1 left. So I had 5 paper coupons in total, and there was an extra 50-cent coupon that is on your digital coupon profile. I typed my number in the store, and it took an additional 50 cents off because there's a 50-cent coupon on your digital account for Lysol. So don't worry. If you only have 5 like I did, they're still going to take another 50 cents off because you have 6 items, and you're going to have 5 papers, and you're going to have 1 digital. Or if you have 6 papers, you can use all of your paper coupons, whatever you want to do. Once you get to $10 for the 3 for 5, it's going to take $2 off, bring you to 8. If you have all 6 paper coupons or 5 paper coupons and 1 digital, is going to take an additional $3 off. So that brings your total to $5 for all 6 of these, right? For all 6 of these, you'll only pay $5. But if you're lucky like I was today, if you find these in the store, this is Big Twin Sensitive Skin. Is 3 blades. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. There was a strange noise outside my house, and I had to see what it was. So anyway, if you're lucky enough to find this, this is a razor set, this exact one, and there is a $3 big coupon on your digital account for Dollar General. This is ringing up 75 cents. The digital coupon is going to take off $3. So it's going to give you an overage of $2.25. Okay? So with this digital giving you an extra $2.25 to spend, this total that was $5 is going to bring your total bump down to $2.75 for all of this. All 6 of your Lysol products and your Big Twin Select. And don't worry, if you don't see this particular one, you can get this one. I got this one on another transaction that I did. This one is the exact same thing. They're 75 cents, and the big coupon is going to take $3 off of this, which will give you an overage of $2.25. So either one of these on your transaction with this will bring your total down to $2.75. Even if you do not have the paper coupons for this deal, let's just say you get all of this, right? And you don't have any paper coupons. Or maybe you have 3, or maybe you have 2. But if you don't have any paper coupons and you go in the store and you get 3 items of each, or whatever you want, your mix and match, but you need 6 altogether, that's going to bring your total to $10. Once you get to $10, it's going to take an additional $2 off for purchasing $10 worth of Lysol products. It's going to bring your total down to $8. Once you type your number in, it's going to take an additional 50 cents off because you still have that digital Lysol coupon. So that's going to bring your total down to $7.50. Okay, once this takes off, $7.50 subtract $2.25 is $5.25. So I gave you 2 scenarios. The way I did it, or if you don't have any paper coupons at all, you'll be paying $5.25 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, which is still not bad, but I would prefer to use the coupons. So if you have those Lysol coupons, please use them. So with coupons, $2.75 for all of this. Without paper coupons, $5.25, which is still a good deal because these were $2.65 by themselves. This was $2 and those were $2. And that was much more than what you're going to be paying, $5 or $2. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our deal from Walgreens. These were unmarked clearance. I went to 2 different stores. I got 4 from each store. I just was lucky, even though I went to like other stores in the past and could not find them. But today I looked up and found 4 more. So these are lavender and chamomile fragrance by Airwick. They are unmarked clearance of 69 cents. You have 69 cents for each pack, right? But once you type your number in, it's going to give you a discount of buy one, get one half off. So if you look at the receipt, there was 69 cents. And then when I bought an additional one, it went down to 34 cents. So then the second set I bought was the same amount. So altogether, I paid 69 for 134, 69.34. Okay, cool, right? That is a great price. I believe I would have paid $2.06 for all of these had I not had an additional coupon, which I'm going to get to next. So let's say you don't have any coupons. Let's just say you don't have any paper coupons or anything like that. Well, you're going to pay $2.06 for all of this. That is hell of a good deal. Okay, but in my case, I had a coupon that was for $1.25 off of any twin refill pack. So once they took, the man took the coupon, which, let's see, if you see right there, it says Airwick, $1.25 off. Once he did that, that brought my total down to $1. Even. Like, even. Like, after taxes, after everything, $1 even. Like, that's 25 freaking cents a pack. Like, you cannot, I'm sorry, you can't beat that. Even if you pay $2.06, you can't beat that. So, like I said, these were unmarked clearance. All you do is go in the store, look for lavender and chamomile fragrance. Go to the counter and ask them, could you check the price on this for me, please? And they will gladly check the price, and 69 cents. That's not bad at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know this one was kind of difficult to understand. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'm happy to help you in any way that I can. So today, I think I did damn good. I paid $1 for that and $2.75 for that. That's $3.75 for all this. And if you have children like I do, I have like a million kids. It's only 3, but it feels like a million. I use this all day, every day, especially with my 2-year-old. She's very messy, okay? If you guys like this video, please like this video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I promise you guys I'm going to be making more videos. I've been slacking because I have a lot going on. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, if you have any questions, leave them down below. And hope you guys come back to my channel. Bye.